Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another Shoe Snob blog unboxing video series, One Take Wonders. Here we are with something new, an accessory that goes hand in hand with shoes, not shoes, but something that I believe almost all of us must wear, or at least we've wanted to wear and we haven't. Kind of like me, to be honest. Today we're going to look at some no-show socks. And to be honest, I've never worn no-show socks, but that's because I haven't found the right brand, but I have now. Because the new ones that I'm about to show you are fantastic in quality and don't do the thing that I can't stand, which is fall down on my heel. Nothing drives me more crazy than socks that fall down. That is probably my biggest pet peeve of all time. And that's also why I don't wear mid-calf length socks. I only wear knee highs. And that's why historically I've never worn no-shows, because a lot of poor quality no-shows just fall right off. But here we are with quality products that I think all of you will enjoy. So make sure and stay tuned as I show you what I got. Enjoy. So as you saw, Mes Chaussettes Rouges sent me an assortment of no-show socks for both sneakers and dress shoes, loafers. I don't recommend wearing them with Oxfords and the like, double monks. I don't really do all that. But I wear my loafers with a no-show and or sockless. Historically, I've worn sockless. Today I'm wearing the no-shows and they're great because they don't fall down. And that is what has always bothered me about them. Inferior brands where the back kind of slides down from your loafer, and that drives me crazy. But I've been walking around now in these Mes Chaussettes Rouges ones and they don't fall down. They are great. So yes, they have no-shows for loafers, for sneakers, for ladies. They were kind enough to send me 3 for my wife for her sneakers, which is great. She's gonna love them. And then also they have a cool assortment of colors. Now some people might say, oh, I don't really want to show orange, but the reality is you don't really see them. They're no-shows. So they're kind of just cool to have, some funky colors in the mix. And like this one for loafers, but really you don't see them. But anyway, they're great and I love them. And I'm definitely gonna start incorporating them more often, especially for the loafers that maybe are slightly larger and I need just a touch of more space. Thanks for tuning in as always. I hope you've enjoyed this video on my new no-show socks. The brand is actually Mazarin, but they're offered by Mes Chaussettes Rouges, my favorite sock supplier. Check them out. Do stay tuned as always for more. Thank you as always for tuning in. If you want to support, check the Patreon, check my blog, subscribe, like, comment. Who's your favorite no-show? And I dare you to try these ones because I think they might be the best in the biz. They might also be the priciest in the biz, but usually in men's quality products, the more you spend, the more you get. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.